But we're wondering why we put a deck on our roof. This is the reason.
It's so long, so amazing, so stable, so steady.
So we do this a lot. We go to our camping on the beach. Literally, it's a campsite, legit, on the beach. So when you get out of your tent, you're in beach sand. So we spend a lot of time on this roof rack, actually, just chilling out, watching the waves, watching the surf, having a beer.
Gotta
Just,
have beer.
sundown. It's nearly sundown here.
Yeah.
These are the boards. These are from Castorama, B&Q, Walmart, or whatever you want to call it in the States. These, 80 quid for the whole lot, which is not too bad in my opinion. And yeah, look at that.
We can boogie! We can boogie!
Probably the strongest part of the whole roof rack.
This is so amazing!
This is the Britpart special roof rack, which has 3 of these going the length of the roof all the way down. So to avoid those, which meant I could put 8 of these in a row. This one and the matching one on that side are a little bit narrower. I had to plane them down. Here we left a little gap so you can pass your beer up if you need to. That's very important.
Especially when there's an awning. There's an awning on this side. And it goes out that way. So you need access, man. Gotta have access.
And then here I've just used these screws, bolts, go right through there, all along, which kind of works. Also, this is the roof rack that has a little bit of a bend to it. It's not straight. It follows the roof line, which you can see. Having a live demo here. Well, the eagle-eyed among you may have spotted that our roof rack has a bit of a following the roof line aspect to it, which is quite cool. However, our boards don't, right? And these are quite thick boards. These are Terrace flooring boards, which are 21 mil thick, 14 wide. So they don't quite bend very well. So what I'm going to do with that is cut some slots in there, just with a saw, about halfway through, and that gives us a bit more of a softer bend to it. So now at least it will follow the line of the roof a little and not stick out like this, right? Because that's not very cool, right? Yeah, there you have it. If you need a deck, cheap and easy, including the roof rack, 300 bucks. Now we have a little platform to enjoy our beer and have a party.
Thanks, my darling. You're a genius.
Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you next time and keep rolling.